has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 247, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Albemarle, Amelia, Amherst, Appomattox, Augusta, Buckingham, Charlotte.
This is all of KZZ28's listening area.
Louisa, Lunenburg, Nelson, Nottoway, Orange, Powhatan, Prince Edward, Rockingham, and Spotsylvania, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg.
I don't know why you didn't go off.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Y'all, I thought this was the weekly test. Those headers were so long. Oh, no, actually we can look at this one because it's quicker. Yeah, literally all the counties in the area.